Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Connect the HDMI cable to the Xbox and to the TV's HDMI input, then plug in the Xbox power cable and flip the console on. Once done, switch the TV to that HDMI input so you see the Xbox boot screen. This ensures video sync and correct input. Pair a controller by pressing the Xbox button. Make sure batteries are charged, because an unpaired controller will prevent navigation. These first steps get you to the dashboard quickly, so you can proceed to settings. Once you're at the dashboard, follow the on-screen setup prompts. Choose language, time zone, and sign into your Microsoft account so you can access profiles and purchases. Next, make a network choice. Use Ethernet for a stable connection or connect to Wi-Fi. This matters for download speed and multiplayer latency. Then accept and apply system updates. Keeping firmware current fixes bugs and improves performance. Make sure the controller also updates when prompted, because input lag or missing features often stem from outdated firmware. You're nearly done. Install games or apps from the store or an external drive, and pick installation location if asked so you don't run out of space. Then optimize display. Set resolution to 1080p or 4K depending on your TV, enable HDR if supported, and switch the TV to game mode to reduce input lag. Finally, test audio settings and sign into Xbox Live. If you don't see video, try the troubleshooting tip. Reseat the HDMI, try another HDMI port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.